Hello guys, welcome to Meka School. Today I am going to solve a very interesting math questions. A plus 2ab plus b equal 8, then a plus b equal what? First of all, rewrite this question. We can multiply the 2 in both sides. 2 a plus 3b plus b equal 2 times 8. So here remain 2 times 8 2a plus 2 to 4 4ab plus 2 multiply b, that means 2b equal 16. We can common 2a from these two terms. So 2a, here remain 1 plus 4ab divided by 2a, that means here remain only 2b plus 2b equal 16. Add 1 in both sides. 1 plus 2b equal 16 plus 1. So we add 1 in both sides. Now here 1 plus 2b and 1 plus 2b, we can common this term. If we take 1 plus 2b as a common, then here remain only 2a plus here remain only 1 equal 70. So we can write this term as a 1 plus 2b 2a plus 1 equal 17. Now we should factorize this term. So here is very interesting things. If a and v are positive integer or negative integer, if a and v belongs to positive integer and negative integer, then we can factorize 17 as a 17 times 1 or 1 times 17 or minus 17 times minus 1 or minus 1 times minus 17. Okay, one thing remember that if we assume that ab is positive integer and negative integer, only integer, and if you think that a and b it's not a fixed integer, like 17 write as a 8.5 times 2, so equal 17, or we can write 6.8 into 2.5, it means 17. If ab is positive or negative integer, then there have only this possible factor, and if ab is not an integer, like it's any random number, then it could be a infinite solutions. So in this maths we take only for integer. So here you can write 1 plus 2b, here 1 plus 2a equal 17. So we do this math only for positive or negative integer. Now we can write this as a 17 times 1. For this term 1 plus 2b equal 17 and 1 plus 2a equal 1. So here you get 2v equal minus 1, that means 16. So v equal 8. Here you will get 2a, 1 minus 1, that means 0. So a equal 0. So a plus b equal what? So a plus v equal, a means 0 plus v equal 8. So 8. Here we get a answer. Similarly, assume this number is a minus 17 and minus 1, 1 plus 2v, 1 plus 2a equal minus 17 and minus 1. So minus 17 times minus 1. So here you can write 1 plus 2v equal minus 17. So 2v equal minus 18 and v equal minus 9. Similarly, 1 plus 2a equal minus 1 and 2a equal minus 1 and minus 1, that means minus 2. So a equal minus 1. So then a plus v will be, a means minus 1 and b means minus 9. So it is minus 10. So here you get another answer. Similarly, if you put 1 times 17, you get a plus b equal 8. And if you put minus 1 times minus 17, you will get this answer. So a plus v equal 8 and minus 10. And this is the equate answer. So guys, if you are enjoying this video, press the like button and subscribe to our Meka School.